Bring it down. Wait. Abi no be so that they dance am. Abi na. But sure you know say get where get your pants, don't fit do this kind of dance. Imagine say you dey club, they do like this now. Cause remember say your pants don't tear. Oh God. Abi? That's what they be now. DJ, play am again for me. Wanna clap for me now? Pa. Wanna clap for? Wait. See. No be me do now. If una know say una no wan appreciate us, when they go outside. Wetin dey happen now? I go do am again. Anybody wey no clap for me, you go remain for your present status forever. DJ, play am for me. Mass who wan pour here. Pa. Wait. Thank you. Ross, you know see, when I come that first time, I dey appreciate you now. When I do like this now. Omo, you know easy o. I beg, if comedian come here, come crack joke, when they appreciate them. You know easy. Now what will they take chop with this? Now when I know they discourage us. Omo, I don't read though. I don't tell people. You know say now for Nigeria, now songs we dey take no say we don dey craze. Remember, there was a time in Nigeria, if you go to any club, when you see people they dance, they all know they pass. Bobo, another year come before you know. What do they call this one? Before you know, Etigi dance day. That time if you take club self, if you see madman self, imagine say madman they do like this. You know if you know say he mad. I don't know where these people just come from. This dance what they call virus dance. Virus dance. You go just take club like this. What be that? Any small thing. You don't get play. They know. Give me any virus dance. Give me better song. All those Zazu, those stupid portable. Go put them away for me. Now, you know if you see poor man, wait though. You know if you see rich man, they do all this kind of dance now. Just imagine say you go house, you see your papa. Your mama can't follow. Easy. Things they happen. This country, no play am again, no worry, na so they enter spirit. Many things they happen. And they tell people, you don't read though. They talk about sakpa, talk about depression. I want to beg you guys in the name of God. If you know say you dey here and you dey depressed, I beg, try the chop food first. Now who chop food they think? If better hungry jam depression for your body, you feel no make am o. Crazy now. I dey tell people for our area where they stay, they don't kidnap babalawo now. Una know here? They kidnap babalawo last week now. Like this, we dey find who go pay ransom. Who won't pay ransom? Amadioha. Amadioha went over chop for many days. Now why they say gods are hungry. You know if you understand that joke, you will be illiterate. Jokes like, I don't want the rush like this. Things they happen. When last you walk out for road, where you see, what do they call that thing? Ebora, abi. What do they call sacrifice? Ebo, you don't say it like sacrifice, now you go know the name. There you want see am. You go to walk out, if not before night, if you wake up in the morning, if you come out for your street, if you don't see sacrifice on road, you go see fried, I talk sacrifice in the leak clip. You dey chop sacrifice. You go don't wake up before, you go see sacrifice on road. You go see, if you see fried rice, if you see chicken. Now, who won't kill you? Where go put fried rice for road? Why you no chop am? Nobody dey put sacrifice. The last sacrifice wey we see for our street na 2 yam with red oil. They can't drop note. My brother, chop and die. Things dey happen. I dey tell people, and this country, let me tell you something. Now, you cannot just wake up in this country and see good news. Every day you wake up in Nigeria, you wake up to bad news. You go just go on Instagram, you go see people, they tweet rubbish about this country. Nigeria is this, Nigeria is that, Nigeria is this. Should I tell you something today? Nigeria is not a bad country. Yes. Nigeria is a fruitful country filled with useless people. Yes, now. Don't get me wrong, go. Not everybody useless, so. Because I know now, if I come out here now, they go say that comedian is mannerless, that comedian is this. No! But tell me something. As a citizen of Nigeria, you don't dey this country for many years. You no get PVC. Ever cool? I dey talk your mind, Abi. Because be like now wetin you like to dey post politics. Comedy don't tire you. You don't get PVC. Yes, now. Now, what be the definition of being useless? Oga me, as I dey here now, bros, I'd like you to do joke. If the same person dey like me now, I dey useless to you. Abi, because you don't get what I dey do for you. No be me buy your table, no be me do anything. You sef, you dey useless to me. Yes, now. Na joke, no vessel. I know all these Akungba people. Who talk? No. See, they went to talk and say, you want collect? If you be Curtis, I know they fear anybody. Oh. You want collect? Come front now, make you talk, make I dey see you. Ladies and gentlemen, you are a citizen, you don't have PVC. All you know how to do is to come online, vote with Obi, vote with Obi. You go there disturb people with your 50 MB. You don't have PVC. You are not useful. I don't talk about politics. I'm just trying to say you cannot be obedient. You get that joke, Abi? You like saying I only you study well for school. All the people that just waste their school fees. When it is happen, now, what did they even pay myself? If you be guy, listen, oh, if you over why they sweat now, she be a CD here. Oh, you don't have to. If you be guy, you dey here, you get 6 packs. You know say you be guy, you strong, you sabi, you dey wear waist bead. Yes, now. Imagine say your papa dey wear waist bead. How e go be? And wetin dey pay me sef? Na guys wey dey do TikTok. Wetin be the meaning of all those rubbish? I be woman, I don't know. My fellow woman. Oh boy, you be man, you see your woman voice. You know what they do? I be next of king. I love you so much. Fatrick. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Fatrick. When I wicked though. Hey? I dey sweat under AC. I dey even crack joke and no prepare. Una no laugh. God bless you, my sister. Do am again. I love you. Say you love me too. You came with Evercool. Sister, you came with Evercool. Please, if you want to go far in life, avoid people like that. Yes, now. When I dey talk now, I dey like if I dey talk, make people they disturb me. Ladies and gentlemen, you dey here, you be guy, you dey do TikTok. Why? Imagine this bros like this now. I know you now. No, you are the follow talk. Now who get money I dey talk to? Joko. In the book game, your game cut. Shake. Up Chelsea for life. Thank you. If you know say you dey here, you be Chelsea fan, put your hands together for yourselves. All blues. All blues. If you know say you dey here, you be Arsenal. No, leave Arsenal. Arsenal. That is one of the most useless club. Do anything where you want to. You know, I meant Arsenal don't cut my ticket. They talk about who won't collect. You no go face your job. You no go face the one where they do. You be man, they do amebo. Ladies and gentlemen, they talk about Bet Naija. You know say Bet Naija, you know they ever win. Now one game they cut am. One game. And I want to talk something. If you know say you dey here, the only thing where you dey take survive, the only thing where you know say you dey do to bring food for your table, now all those bring two people to bring two people. Invest 2,000 to pack 1 million. You be thief. I dey tell people now, my uncle, wey carry family budget 20,000 naira, he say the tell am say make he invest 20,000 to pack 20 million. Na in grave one pack tomorrow, but na this night I go kill am. Ladies and gentlemen, wait. I do this and I go. Abeg, I wan talk something o. Igbo and alcohol, which one better pass? You see, every coach I talk, since I dey here, I dey crack educational joke. They no laugh, they no understand. I mention Igbo, see all of them. Ladies and gentlemen, e better. This Igbo dey talk, no be for everybody o. You know say if you smoke Igbo, I know they smoke, but I just always and crack joke. No verse. You know say if you dey smoke, if you smoke, you fit sit down. Like person wey smoke na like this now, if you just dey, you go just dey reason life. You no go misbehave. You go make you just dey chop. But it's that way they call alcohol. Alcohol no good o, no be for everybody o. You know say if you drink alcohol like this, if you don high, if your friend tell you say you don high, you go say no. Say you no fit high na, I know wetin I dey do na, nothing dey sup. Yes na, you no go believe say you don high. If you don't take alcohol, you fit sit down like this. You go plan say make you dey normal o. But one spirit go dey tell you say, stand up. You go come stand up. Na alcohol dey control you o. You don stand up o. Misbehave. You no go believe. My friend don smoke Igbo na. He smoke Igbo go church, go share testimony. He go dey promise church 5 million naira for church renovation. Person wey still dey squat with person. Igbo no good o. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. God bless you.
So me say ciao. One time 3 goes about the 2 person wey on you.